Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to delete a PayPal account. Deleting your PayPal account is permanent, so make sure that you want to seriously delete your account first. First of all, launch open the PayPal application and make sure to sign into your account. After you're signed into the home page of PayPal, ensure that you've withdrawn all of your funds, cancelled all the subscriptions and resolved pending transactions before proceeding to delete account. If you have taken care of those, then you can proceed to delete your account. From the home page, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. From your profile page, tap on Settings. Under the Settings menu, go all the way down and look for Close Your Account button. Tap on it and then ensure that you'd like to delete your account. If you'd like, you can ask for deleting your data before closing the account. If you want to do that, tap on Delete Your Data and follow through the instructions. If you just want to delete your account, then all you need to do is to click on the Close Account button from this page. Your account then will be closed and you'll be redirected to the main sign-in interface. So that way you will be able to delete or close your PayPal account. You can now get rid of the application from your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.